In this video, I'm going to show you how to restore the missing command bar in AutoCAD quickly and easily. If your command line suddenly disappears, don't worry because this is a very common issue and usually happens after accidentally closing the command window. The fastest solution is using the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+9. As soon as you press it, the command line bar should instantly reappear on your screen. This is the quickest and easiest method for most users. If that shortcut does not work, there is another way to restore it using the Customize User Interface settings. Type CUI into the command area and press Enter. This opens the Customize User Interface window. On the left side, locate the Workspaces section and select Drafting and Annotation. Then click Customize Workspace on the right side. Under the Palette section, find Command Line and make sure its Show property is set to Yes. Apply the changes and close the window. Your command bar should now be fully restored and ready to use again. Knowing both methods can save you time and help you quickly recover your workspace whenever this issue happens. Thanks for watching and happy drafting with AutoCAD.